Hey guys, always we need to help each other. I stopped here before the work and we're gonna go right there. Yeah guys, the truck is dead. We put 5 gallons of oil and we leveled up the oil here. It's bad. Now we're gonna try to do a really scary thing. The guy from there gonna pull next to this truck and flip up the batteries. We're just gonna jump it. It's kind of risky, but we need to do it some kind of way, right? Okay, now we're gonna wait how that truck. We're gonna step ahead and see what he gonna do it, how he gonna do it. That's the bucket of the well, which it's almost empty. And you see how bad the leaks are here. The engine, it's bad, like a 60, I think, the oldest engine from 99. Yeah, look at there. Yeah guys, that's how we work.